What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the first ever swap to earn DEX on Solana right here, and I want to talk about it. It's called Squirrel Swap, and I do enjoy these particular swap platforms. These DEXs are very good. It's a real throwback like 4 years ago to Pancake Swap, which went absolutely wild. So let's just talk about this coin quickly. It's called Squirrel Swap here. It says swap with Squirrel. It's fast, rewarding, and peanuts. Beginner or pro, swap smarter with Squirrel, the fastest way to trade on Solana. It says here you can also stake Squirrel and earn Solana on every swap. Be faster than the blockchain and maximize your gains with the first swap and earn decentralized exchange. So it says swapping is peanuts right here, as we can see. Pretty cool website, and I think it's just straight to the point. Now, look at this price action, guys. You can see over the last few hours, it's already gone pretty wild. And one thing I will absolutely say in this video is we called this one in the ultra early alpha group just yesterday, Squirrel Swap, because we called this at 0.0009. It is now 0.002. So it's up over a 2x, guys. If you want to get these alpha calls so you can also make these 2x's and get in first, you can become a Patreon, which is linked right down below. And the crypto legend and the crypto champion should give you access to those alpha insights and early calls on these awesome DEX coins. So looking super good. We can see the all-time high did come up massively, actually shot up to 0.0026 momentarily. So that is the all-time high here. You can see obviously a lot of sells happened around that particular region as things start to get very hot, but that is very normal in these markets, especially when you have a low market cap coin. This is only a $2 million market cap coin with 165k liquidity, only 1k holders, so this thing could still potentially go up more and more in the future. Of course, we've got the markets in a red, so it doesn't really help when you have the markets red because everything is still going against you. But the actual volume, the height that's going to this token right now, we can see we're getting a nice sort of rebound here on the price, and it's still printing a green 4-hour candle. Looking at the supply, there is 1 billion total coins, as we can see right here. It's got a DEX tool score of 95 over 99. Does look like potentially a good play in this particular market. So yeah, volatile, but still very early days for Squirrel Swap. So let's just continue to sort of look through the website here and see what we can find for this particular coin. So the main bullish thing here, it's the first swap to earn DEX, and it says Squirrel Swap is the first swap to earn DEX, rewarding Squirrel holders with Solana tokens. Squirrel Swap is revolutionized in DeFi as the first DEX to reward Squirrel holders with SOL tokens. Buyback and burn mechanisms as well will also be here. So it says every Squirrel Swap trade powers the ecosystem with a 1% fee, supporting the team at 25%, development at 35%, the stakers get 20%, the community gets 5%, and then of course buybacking and burn will be at 10% as well. So it's built for the meme culture, it says right here, and it actually rewards people that are, holding and believing in the future of cryptocurrency. Now, we've also got tokenomics, which are important to look at. So we can see here, the total supply is 1 billion coins. There was just 100% fair launch. It was a pump fund. There was no pre-sale. There's no taxes. It's a swap to earn SOL mechanism. And there's also a staking DApp to look forward to. You can also see on the roadmap, they're basically just in phase 1. So the next part will be build staking DApp for Squirrel staking rewards in Solana, build community on Telegram and Twitter, which we can see they are starting to do now, as it's time to fill those Squirrel bags. So it's interesting that this is a Squirrel as well, following that sort of peanut thing that went live. So it could be like a bit of an inspiration from there. 1k followers, slowly growing, but for sure they are pushing out more and more, and quite frequently as well. Let's go back to the roadmap. So we can see here they're trying to run viral meme campaigns for Squirrel. Then it'll move into phase 2. We're going to get that beta test Squirrel Swap and gather community feedback. This is where you're going to list Squirrel on a tier 2 centralized exchange as well. And then at phase 3, they want to get that big tier 1 centralized exchange. They want loads of press releases. They want to expand marketing further and further as well. So it does look pretty cool. Very straight to the point sort of website here, as we can see. Colorful. It's got the white paper, the community, the how to buy as well on this particular coin, because it is effectively, when you look at the how to buy, it is as easy as having a phantom wallet and just putting their token address straight into the wallet itself. So it does look really cool. You can see there is the token address, and it's as simple as copying that and put it into your phantom, or check out, on DEX Tools or Bird's Eye or whichever DEX you prefer. You can also see actually you get the token address here, which is just over here as well. So I'm very curious to see what could happen with this particular meme coin. 152k liquidity, price action right now sitting at 0.0016. So you can see the volatility. The volatility is there, guys. So of course this could be something that goes up in the future, but it's volatile. The markets are a bit dusty right now, but this is very, very much early days for this particular coin. When we look at the weekly time frame, we can see this has only really been around for just a few weeks, and it does take many months of hustling and grinding to get a coin into those larger market caps. It's not like an overnight thing. Of course, never risk more than you can afford to lose. I do hope this does well. We've had a great flurry of 4 green consecutive candles over here. It looks very, very nice indeed. Fingers crossed it'll do well. Do a bit of research on Squirrel Swap down below. I'll leave a link for you. And if you're new here, do consider subscribing and don't miss out on the early alpha and trading signals if you want to get into coins like this also quicker, because you would now still be in profit. You would have got down you know, at 0.0009 in contrast to this price here. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and supporting the channel. Let's see some more wins soon, and take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Boo.